Hey my friends, in this video I show you how to make progressive house. If you are a bit familiar with the genre, you know that it all comes to a great melody. Producers like Mats, Dubvision, Severin and many more making such good melodies. In order to come up with a good melody, you need some nice chords first. I made these. For some ambience I add this little top melody. When you laid some chords down, you will have the inspiration for a melody. I listened to my chords and came up with this melody. Next we need to make a progressive house beat with some high quality samples. To make your beat more special, you need to add those ambiances and guitar loop. To add more depth into your song, you need to add some melodic elements. For the build-up I used some build-up samples and risers. And I used some elements from the drop but with a filter. And for the drop, the main part is obviously the lead melody. I used a ton of presets for it and a few organic sounds to make it real thick. The drop chords I kept pretty simple though. It is just of presets with some cellos. To give your bass the main body, you need to take a solid sub bass like this. To make it crunchy though, you need to add some nice mid basses like this. Nice. And guys, in case you are in search of a ton of high quality progressive house presets and samples for a ridiculous price, you need to check out my Progressive House Essentials sample pack with over 1000 high quality samples like drums, FX and real instrument loops, 200 serum presets, 200 Synth 1 presets, 100 vital presets, and 100 royalty-free melodies that are perfect for progressive house, and 5 professional project files. When you add the discount code 40, you will get 40% of your order till I upload a new video. So hurry up my friends, link in the description. And to fill up the last empty spaces in your mix, you need to add nice arps like this. And guys, we are almost ready with the whole track, but for progressive house tracks it is nice to have a vocal. I searched on YouTube till I found a vocal that fitted pretty well. It's from Jonas Aiden Foyer. And now, let's listen to the final result.
She works at a bar but she's too young to have a drink. Paying for her mother's alcohol and colored pills. Never see her father but he taught her the ballet. One night she packed her bags and ran away. Oh, now she's dancing alone, toes leaning out on the floor. Oh, now she's dancing alone as she moves to Dodgy-O.
Guys, thanks for watching. I love you.